Hi everyone! How are you guys? Kuya Ren, saan kasi kayo pupunta? Wala ka na naman! Ah! Kuya! Hello! Hello, I am June. So, I am here, guys. It's because I wanted to tell you that my EP Grit will be launched sa March 16, the EP album. And I can't wait to share it all with you guys. Preparing for the performances, already preparing for my vocals, stamina, because I need that. Kaya cardio ko na malala ngayon. Crizel, pretty and... Oh, says the pretty and simple girl. See you! I can't wait to see everyone. I just can't wait. Nasa Gateway po. Gateway Cineflex. Ang album launch. And it's in March 16th. Pumayat ka. Siguro dahil sa kaka-cardio ko nito. Para lang maano yung breathing ko. Wait lang. I did forget about some... Wala na nakalimutan ko, wait. May nakalimutan ako. Ay nako. Ano na yun? Ay, ito lang pala. Supply. Okay. Thank you! Share nyo pa to, guys. But ngayon, I just wanted to, invite everyone. And I can't wait. I really can't wait to perform. And I can't wait to see everyone, each and every one of you. Papaganda muna ako kasi... Ay, okay. Alam ko na kung anong gagawin ko. I-open ko yung window. Naku. Or is it worse? I don't even know. Turn this light off. I think this is better. I don't even know. Yeah. Anyway. Stressing out sa lighting ko dito. Ayan, mag-makeup muna ka ng kaunti. Tsaka yung hair ko, ayaw makisabay ha. Out of all the time, ngayon ka lang di sumabay. Against the light talaga. Kasi ang pangit dito sa likod. Ang daming scratch. Kasi old na kasi ang bahay. So, yung mga paint din, parang nagsascratch na siya. Siguro, baka ako magre-renovate nito. Iibahin ko yung kulay. Pas papagandahin ko. I have some plans in my heads. Sulaw nga ni butang sa tag-blush oy kay apay naman ta. Hello, Dali! Sinong guest? Well, malalaman nyo pag nandun. Bili na kayo ng ticket, guys. Sa Ticketnet. Tama ba? Ticketnet. Tingnan nga natin. Yung ticketing kasi medyo wait lang. Sana yun. Tickets. It's been a while na I haven't done, live. I haven't gone live. So I don't know how to interact with you guys. Here online, I'm so nervous. So nervous. Gonna look for it. Yay! May ticket na si Bascoli. Louie. Bascoli. Hello sa Star Pop family. And yes, guys, don't forget your tickets. Malapit na po ang launch. And it's on March 16th, 7 p.m. Can't wait to see you guys in Cineflex. sa Gateway, Cubao. What's your favorite? What's your favorite track from the album? My favorite track, I would say lahat. Can't choose one. Everything is a bop and everything I love. I love the songs. I love all of the songs. Sorry, I can't choose. Kayo, ano bang favorite songs nyo? Ano ba yung favorite track nyo sa, sa EP, sa Grit? Don't Lie to Me, ang ganda. So, ayun nyo naman sinungaling. Pupunta ka ba sa Star Magic Prom? We'll see.